Welcome to Inside Showbiz with Aster, Amoyo. Sa gabing ito mga kaibigan ay dumayo po tayo sa red carpet premiere ng pelikulang Without You, starring David Licauco, Shaira Diaz, directed by RC Delos Reyes under OctoArts Films. Showing na po ang pelikula mga kaibigan. Kung ano po ang kaganapan na magaganap po sa premiere night, tunghayan po natin.
Without You is about a couple na 7 years na sila sa relationship, and then one day it got tested and the challenges came, and masusukat ba, ang question nito is masusukat ba ng panahon ng pagmamahal nila sa isa't isa. Kumbaga, is love enough for them to stay together? The story is written by Renz Nicodemus. Additional screenplay is by Dano Christopher Barikit. My first theatrical release was in 2018, my first film, and then I had the film early this January. It was released also in cinema. This is my first theatrical release together with OctoArts, and working with them is so fun and a breeze, no? Napakadali nilang katrabaho, kausap sila Boss Orly, si John. I mean, ang ganda nilang ka-collaborate sa pagkikwento at paggawa ng pelikula. Super daling katrabaho. They were very honest, siya and si Dindy, because they're both beauty queens. And they were very honest na hindi sila ganun kasanay with doing films. But what I liked about them, I think it's an innate trait sa isang beauty queen, yung hunger for learning, and that is what I like about them, kasi naniniwala naman ako na ang talent can be learned at as long as willing kang matuto, willing kang makinig, and yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanilang dalawa. Si Shaira, napakagaling na actress. I just can't wait na ma-recognize ng mundo, ng mga audience at ng buong mundo yung kagalingan niya as an actress. Si David, napaka-charming. He's very shy sa simula, but once you get to know him, he's very easy to work with. Nakikinig siya, he's a good listener, and super gaan katrabaho. I'm inviting everyone to watch Without You on February 15, produced by OctoArts, starring David Licauco and Shaira Diaz.
Oh wow, it was a mix of emotions because I'm really not an actress, so it was a first for me to be on screen or be in front of the camera and portray a certain character, give a certain emotion, and so it was a challenge, but you know, as I take up any challenge that comes my way. Ako personally po nag-enjoy ako dahil iba siya sa pagiging beauty queen, iba rin po siya sa pag-host. Talagang may certain kind of art talaga na kailangan din. Kaya sobrang tumaas din ang respeto ko at sa hanga ko sa mga artista kasi mahirap pala na mag-portray ng certain character at magbigay ng emotion, lalo na kailangan daw talaga kita sa mata. So, yun, nag-enjoy po while there's a challenge. It's fun. Well, Rhiana is someone who is very determined. She's someone who's very persistent to the thing that she puts her mind into. So I've been joining pageants, but like anyone else, I'm very willing to learn because I'm also a teacher. So I feel like I'm a lifelong learner. So yeah, that's why I'm here trying out whatever that I think I can grow into. I'm willing to take that challenge. Alright, hello everybody! We're inviting you to please watch Without You, directed by RC de los Reyes and produced by OctoArts. And I hope na samahan nyo kami this Valentine season, umiyak, masaktan, lahat, at syempre kiligin sa partnering ni Shaira Diaz and David Licauco.
Hi guys, I am Casie Banks. I am a law student, a former beauty queen, and well, ano nga ba? I am a person who really loves to travel, I love to read, but as you can see, I also do acting, so mahilig ako umiyak at tumawa. But for you to really get to know me, what you see is what you get. I am really bubbly, I'm a happy person, I love to talk, and So, yeah, that's really Casie in a short. Actually, this will be my very first film that will be released in the cinemas. So, I'm so grateful for OctoArts and, of course, Direk RC for, this very beautiful opportunity. Amazing. I love David. I love Shai. I've worked with David previously in Manopo. So, we were in GMA. And si Shai, I've known of Shai for a while. So working with them was such a breeze. Sobrang sarap nilang katrabaho, nakakatawa. And it felt like family lang kami on set. It's just so much. We would eat, we would laugh, and locked in siya. So we really got to know more of each other. Just so happened, when the opportunity came, I said yes. I entered pageantry since I was 17 years old.
Wow.
And when Tito Arnold, after Miss World, in-offer niya, how about mag-artista ka? Sabi ko, why not, Tito? Go lang ako ng go. And then it happened. And actually, more than 1 year into the showbiz industry, it still feels like bago. I am like a sponge. I'm trying to absorb everything. I ask the directors if they have tips for me. I like to learn from my coworkers. So it's still actually a learning experience for me. I will be Rhiana in this movie. So ako yung contribute third party of Shaira and David. Kaya lagi ko silang kasama. But yeah, so you get to see Rhiana. Siya yung magiging, she would cause the tension between the relationship. But it's of course for you to watch to see how I will be in this film. So very interesting. Okay, hey guys, iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na manood ng Without You this Valentine's because why not? Handa na tayong mga puso natin, papayakin, kikiligin, lahat ng emosyon mararamdaman nyo sa palabas na to. Of course, directed by Direk RC Delos Reyes, and you will see a different version of David and Shaira in Without You. See you there!
I'm super excited na makita yung movie kasi pinaghirapan namin yun last year. So just can't wait to watch it. And of course, I'm super grateful to OctoArts, to GMA, to the producers kasi syempre, alam naman natin na in this day and age, mahirap mag-produce ng pelikula. And the fact na ako yung kinuha nila, pinagkatiwalaan, kumbaga sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Kaya super thankful and excited. Kumbaga matagal na kasi namin ito na-shoot eh. So siguro mas kinabahan ako during the shoot itself kasi heavy talaga yung drama, ganun. But this time, hindi naman ako nakabahan. I mean, I'm confident naman na maganda yung direction ni Direk RC. Tsaka confident din ako sa acting namin ni Shaira. So, well, she's my first ever on-screen partner. So, nung start pa lang kita ko na magaling talaga siyang actress. And so ayun na nga, like you said, super comfortable na ako around her. Kaya pag uma-acting kami, kumbaga parang natural na lang din. So, ayun. My role is Axel. So, he's a DJ. So, medyo around girls siya all the time. Tapos, parang, nung simula, parang akala niya hindi pa siya ready to, like settle down. Until nawala yung babae. So, I feel like maraming mga lalaki ang nakaka-experience ng gano'n. Wala rin naman sa dream ko yung maging isang artista nung bata ako. So, I'm just trying to keep it real, I guess. Just, like whatever opportunity na dumating sa akin, ginagawa ko lang yung best ko. And, bahala na. Hello sa mga supporters ko at ni Shaira Diaz at mga kasama namin dito. Thank you sa support and sana supportahan niyo rin yung Without You. Maganda tong pelikula na to.
Syempre, super happy ako and excited at the same time. Pero pinaka nangingibabaw talaga yung kaba. Pero proud ako sa movie namin. Proud ako sa kung ano yung nagawa namin, yung produkto namin. So, I'm confident din na magugustuhan din nila. So, yun yung importante sa akin. And masaya ako na makikita na nila to, mapapanood na nila. At lalong-lalo pa, Valentine's Day, perfect po ito para sa inyo. Siguro po, yung isang factor doon is, nananabik yung ibang fans. Naghahanap din sila somehow siguro ng ibang flavor, and siguro kasi kami ni David, ever since pumasok kami sa GMA, parang on and off yung partnering namin, and then siguro yun yung parang magic doon na paisa-isang guesting kami na nagsasama. Never pa kami nagsama sa isang serye. So, I think doon nagsisimula yung chemistry na nakita nilang nakiklik kami kasi namimiss nila kami. Hindi nila kami palagi nakikita, so hinahanap nila kami. Very smooth lang. Sobrang komportable na kasi talaga ako with David, and parang pinagkakatiwalaan ko siya. I mean, kapag nasa eksena kami ni David, mas madali yung trabaho ko, and parang palagay talaga ako sa kanya kasi nga lagi kami yung napapartner talaga. Si Rhea, well, sobrang mahal na mahal niya dito si Axel. Nasa 7-year relationship na kami, and si Rhea yung type na babae na gagawin yung lahat para maging strong yung relationship nila. So, nurse ako dito na naging call center, and ayan, syempre pag call center, laging busy, walang time. So, medyo doon magkakaroon ng conflict sa ganon. Syempre yung quality time, medyo na hindi na pa-prioritize, pero all in all, she's very caring, very loving, and understanding. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta hanggang ngayon sa amin. From our very first movie, nandyan kayo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta ko dahil di kayo bumibitaw. Andito pa rin kayo sa tabi namin, and I love you guys. Thank you dahil sa inyo to. Kaya namin nagagawa to. Thank you, thank you.
Players na dito. Thank you so much for coming. Grabe. Ayan. Ako. Alam mo, David, Shaira, tinanong sila, what's your most anticipated scene? Lahat sila, shower. Ako. Sige. So, can you invite them again to watch Without You on February 15th?
Yes, imbitahan po namin kayong lahat na panoorin ang aming pelikula Without You sa February 15 na po yan. Yung mga inaabangan yung scenes, ako, na-enjoy nyo yun.
Gaya na sinabi ni Shaira sa February 15. Without You, in cinemas nationwide.